So the little pin in the flag is where Fairbanks is on the globe, and I've got the latitude longitude line, so that's physically where Fairbanks is today, and the little flag points due south, and the sun
to where the sun is now, which is about almost not quite due south.
Correct. Yeah, it's just it's pretty well due south right
Yeah.
about now, and so where the sun is today is positioned by this yellow bead, and this is the equator, but the horizon is much lower than that. So if you were able to see the sun today, the sun would be just 1.5 degrees above the horizon. And so if you shift it to summer solstice, 180 degrees out, since the Earth is tilted on its axis, south is slightly different at summer solstice, so that you've got the sun is highest on summer solstice, June 21st, and you can see it's much higher. But if you rotated the sun or the Earth 180 out, in other words, it'd be midnight on the 21st, you can see that the sun would still be grazing the horizon, which is the reason why it's counterintuitive, because people think of it as a flat plate, but it's a sphere, so that even though it's higher on one end, it's also above the horizon because we've rotated out in our position. There's an inclination of about 23.5 degrees that puts it just above, almost above the horizon for Fairbanks.
And now this clock in the window here shows
the sun
where the sun is shining now in the western hemisphere
today at this time, right?
At this time, and we're kind of almost at the northern edge of where there is daylight available, right?
You see the Yukon River is just on the borderline
right.
of the upper limit, and if you go to Circle, it's almost over at Circle. And so yeah, we're kind of well placed for still getting good northern lights, but getting as much sun almost as people above the Arctic Circle.